Good morning, students. Last time we have to study inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. Now we will start inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So same way we have to follow elementary transformation and find inverse of 3 by 3 matrices. So first of all, how to make identity matrix. Today I will give you a short method for finding inverse of matrix. So first of all, what is our goal? If we have to make a11 element will be 1, and then we have to make a21 element will be 0, then we have to make a31 element will be 0. So what is our pattern? A11, then a21, next we have to make a31 element will be 0. What is our next goal? Next we have to make a22 element will be 1. So next we have to make a22 element will be 1. So we have to focus only 1. Okay. So next we have to make a22 element will be 0. Next we have to make a12 or a32 element will be 0. So next a32, next a12, next we have to make a33 element will be 1. So we have to focus only diagonal entries. So first we make a 1 element will be 1, then a 2, and next a 3 element will be 1. So next a 3, next we have to make a 2 element will be 0 and a 1 element will be 0. A 2 and a 1 element will be 0. So we have to follow this pattern and find our left hand side will be identity matrix. Okay, so we have to start question number 15. So let us start from left. A is equals to 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. Okay, let us start from, we know that A is equals to I. We have to use A equals to I for row element transformation. Now we have to put in the value of A is 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3 and plus 3 minus 2, 2 is equals to, here we have to write the identity matrix of 3 by 3. So 1, 0, 0, here 0, 1, 0 and last 0, 0, 1 into A as it is. Okay. What is our next goal? We have to make identity matrix on the left hand side, and right hand side whatever you want, it's your A inverse. It gives A inverse of given matrix. So how to make our left hand side will be identity matrix? So we have to follow this pattern and make identity matrix. So first of all, what we have to make a11 element will be 1. So we have to divide by 2. We have to divide by 2 to first row. So 1 by 2 into R1. Okay. Therefore, what is the answer? So we have to divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1 minus 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. Here second and third row as it is 2, 2, 3 and third row is 3 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 2. Same operation we have to apply on right hand side. So here we have to divide by 2 to first row. So 1 by 2, 0, 0 and same thing second row and third row as it is 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 into A. Okay, what is our next one? First element will be 1. So next one will be, we have to make A21 element will be 0. So we have to multiply first row with minus 2 and add in second row. Same thing, we have to multiply first row by minus 3 and add in third row. So we have to apply two operations. Okay, here we have to change not A2, we have to write R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. Okay, also second operation will be written on same way. So we have to multiply first row to minus 3 and adding third row. So minus 3R1 and adding R3. Therefore, so here first row as it is 1 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Same thing, right hand side, first row as it is. So first of all, we will write down first row 1 by 2, 0, 0. Now we have to apply two operations. First we have to apply in R2 and then R3. So first we have to apply in R2. So we have to multiply by minus 2 to R1 and add in second row. So whatever. So minus 2, 1 side minus 2 plus 2, 0. Next we have to multiply by minus 2 into minus 3 by 2 and add in second row. So plus 2. So 2 to cancel out, minus minus plus 3 plus 2, 5. Next minus 2 multiply by 3 by 2 and add in second row. So plus 3. So here 2 to again cancel out and minus 3 plus 3, 0. Same operation we have to apply on right hand side. So minus 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel out. So minus 1. Minus 1 plus 0. Minus 1 and here 0. So there will be no change. 1, 0. Next same operation we have to apply on in R3. So we have to multiply by minus 3 and add in R3. So minus 3 into plus 3, 0. Here minus 3 multiply by minus 3 by 2 plus minus 2. We have to add in third row. So here 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus. So 9 by 2 minus 2. Now take LCM. So 2 2s are 4. So 9 minus 4 by 2. So 5 by 2. So here write down 5 by 2. Here what happened? Minus 3 into 3 by 2. So minus 3 into 3 by 2 and adding third row. So plus 2. So here 3 3s are minus 9 by 2 plus 2. So again we have to take LCM. 2 2s are 4 minus 9. So minus 5 by 2. So here write down minus 5 by 2. Same operation we have to apply on right hand side. So here minus 3 into 1 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 plus 0. So minus 3 by 2. Here 0. So there will be no change. 0 1 as it is into A. Now what is our second goal? We have to make A22 element will be 1. So here 1 0 0. Next we have to make 5 will be 1. So simply we have to divide by 5 to R2. So whatever. So first and third row as it is 1 minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Now divide by 5. So 0, 5 divided by 5, 1, 0. Third row as it is 0, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. Same operation we have to apply on right hand side. So first and third row as it is 1 by 2, 0, 0. Here divide by 5. So minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0 divided by 5, 0. Third row as it is minus 3 by 2, 0, 1 into A. Okay, is it clear? Okay, what is our next goal as per of our technique? So we have to make here 0 and here 0. So we have to multiply by second row with 3 by 2 and adding second row and second row multiply by minus 5 by 2 and adding third row. So we have to write R2 multiply by 3 by 2 and adding R1, as well as we have to multiply second row with minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 to R2 and adding R3. Now we have to apply both operations in same step. So second row as it is. So we have to write first second row 0 1 0 as it is. Okay, so what about first row? So here 0 multiplied by whatever number, answer will be 0. 0 plus 1, so 1 as it is. No change. Here whatever, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, because we have to add in first row, so it will be 0. Here whatever, 0 multiplied by whatever number, again 0, so 3 by 2 as it is. 3 by 2. Same operation we have to apply on right hand side. Here first of all we have to write second row minus 1 by 5. Second row as it is 1 by 5, 0. Okay. So here minus 1 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 2 and adding first row, so plus 1 by 2 is equal to, here we have to multiply by 1 by 5 into 3 by 2, so minus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 2. Now take LCM, so 10 here minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. So here 1 by 5. Next 1 by 5 into 3 by 2. So again here 1 by 5 into 3 by 2 plus 0. So here answer will be 3 by 10. So here answer will be 3 by 10. Next 0. 0 into 3 by 2. So answer will be 0 plus 8 in first row. So 0 plus 0. Okay, 0. Now we have to apply second operation, R3 to R3 minus 5 by 2 R2. So we have to multiply by second row with minus 5 by 2 and adding third row. So here 0 into whatever number, answer will be 0 plus 0. So 0. Next minus 5 by 2 into 1, minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So is equal to 0. Next minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2, sorry, into 0, because we have to multiply by second row and adding third row. So 0 minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Same operation we have to apply on right hand side. So we have to multiply by minus 5 by 2 and adding third row. So minus 5 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 5 and adding third row. So third row will be minus 3 by 2. So plus minus 3 by 2. So here 5 by cancel out, minus minus plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So we have to take LCM 2. So 1 minus 3, so minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So here write down minus 1. Next 1 by 5 into minus 5 by 2. 1 by 5 into minus 5 by 2 and adding third row. So third row will be 0. So 5 by cancel out is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here write down minus 1 by 2. Next and last is 0 into minus 5 by 2. So answer will be 0 plus 1. So what is it? Into A. So we have to multiply by minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 into 5 by 2 will be 1. So we have to multiply R3 to minus 2 by 5. R3 tends to minus 2 by 5 into R3. So first and second row as it is both the sides. So first of all we have to write down 1 0 3 by 2 0 1 0 1 by 5 3 by 10 0 minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 0. Okay, so now multiply by minus 2 by 5. So 0 multiplied by whatever number 0. Here same thing 0. Here minus 5 by 2 into minus 2 by 5. So 5 5 to cancel out and minus minus will be plus. So it gives 1. Same thing you have to multiply by minus 2 by 5 to minus 1. So minus minus plus 2 by 5. Here whatever minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 5. So minus minus plus 2 to cancel out and it gives 1 by 5 and 1 into minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5. Okay. Lastly, what is our next goal? We have to make a 1 3 element and a 2 3 element will be 0. So we have to make a 1 3 element will be 0. So we have to multiply by third row with minus 3 by 2 and adding first row. So we have to multiply by minus 3 by 2 in R3 and add in R1. Therefore, so second and third row as it is, both the side. So 0, 1, 0. Also here write down 0, 0, 1. Also write down right hand side minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5. Now we have to multiply by minus 3 by 2 and adding here. So here no changes because third row will be 0, 0. So 1, 0. Here minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So 0. What about right hand side? So we have to multiply by minus 3 by 2 and add in first row. So we have to multiply by first 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 5. So whatever. 2 to cancel out. Minus 3 by 2, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So 5 LCM. So minus 3 plus 1, 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. So here write down minus 2 by 5. Next, 1 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 10. Because we have to add in first row. So here minus 3 by 10 plus 3 by 10. So cancel out. So answer will be 0. So here write down 0. And last we have to multiply with minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 2. So 2 to cancel out. Minus minus plus 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 0. So here write down 3 by 5. So we have to observe our left hand side will be identity matrix. Okay, note down this example and you have to practice next example to yourself. चलो तो आंसर रखो दो. Okay, so left hand side will be identity matrix. So here we will write down. Therefore, I is equals to, because it gives the identity matrix I 3 by 3. So I is equals to B into A. Therefore, B is equals to minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5. Second row is minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5 is equals to A inverse. Is it clear?